Before I started my decluttering journey, there was a ton of stuff that I couldn't part with. A couple of examples of this are books and makeup. Eventually, I did extremely pare down my collection. I used to have 2 big things full of makeup. Now this is currently the only makeup that I own. We all are different in the sense that what might be easier for one person to declutter might be a little bit more difficult for another person to declutter. So today's challenge for the Decutter December, day number 4, is to go back into our bedrooms and choose one trouble area for us. Today, I no longer have an influx of stuff, but I do feel I have slightly more accessories that I am accustomed to using. So I challenge us today. Let us go back into our wardrobes and any trouble area that we may have, whether it's makeup or perfumes or accessories like me. Let's tackle that area today. As I said, this might be a bit more challenging, so today we're going to add 15 minutes, some fun music, and do away with all the extra stuff. Not to mention, before the holidays come where we might get even more of those things, we just want more simplified and easy access to our stuff. Let's think about realistically, how often are we using these things? And if not quite very often, then we should be